Now I will show you how to use Parrot OS. We have all heard of Parrot OS, but why use it? First, we will try to know it. Parrot Security Operating System is a Debian-based Linux distribution built by Frozen Box Network for cloud-oriented penetration testing. It is a comprehensive portable security lab that designed for penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, computer forensics, reverse engineering, hacking, cryptography, and anonymous web browsing. Okay. Now open your favorite browser and go to parrotlinux.org website. Click the download bar. Okay. We will use Parrot security version. Okay. Click the download for download. Okay. I have already downloaded. See. Okay. First we will install the VirtualBox software. Okay. Double click. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, see, network connections. Now to OK. Yes, install. Yes. See, edit VirtualBox. Okay. Start, finish. Okay. The VirtualBox software is installed. Now let's add Parrot OS to the VirtualBox. Right click with the mouse. Open with VirtualBox Manager. Okay. Choose import VirtualBox application. You can change this data if you wish. Name Parrot Security. Okay, you can change this name. Suppose OS. Okay, enter. Okay, version 4.1. Guest of type Debian 64-bit. Okay. Machine base folder. I don't want to put it in C drive, so I will change this folder address. Okay. Check everything, then click on import button. I agree. Okay. Wait a few minutes. Import complete. Okay, I will change some setting before use. Go to setting, see invalid setting detection, USB. Okay, go to USB, select USB 1.1. Done. Now open the Parrot OS. If Parrot OS does not open, then see the problem solving lecture of this section. Okay. Okay, it's open. Go to menu, shutdown. Okay.